Snails are gastropod mollusks characterized by their coiled shells. They move by secreting mucus, which reduces friction, allowing them to glide. They have a radula, a specialized feeding organ used for scraping food habitats. Snails can be found in diverse habitats, including gardens, forests, deserts, and aquatic environments like rivers, lakes, and oceans. They are adaptable and can survive in various climates. Behavior. Snails are typically nocturnal, coming out at night to feed on plants, algae, and decaying matter. They are known for their slow pace, although some species can move faster. Snails hibernate in cold climates or during dry spells. Reproduction. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. They mate by exchanging sperm with another snail, and then each lays eggs in the soil or under rocks. Economic importance. Some snail species are considered pests in agriculture, as they can damage crops. However, snails are also used in cuisine in many cultures, known as escargot. Snail shells come in various shapes and sizes. Some are spiral-shaped, while others are conical or flattened. The color and texture of the shell can also vary greatly among different species. Movement. Snails move by secreting mucus, which reduces friction between their foot and the surface. This mucus also helps in moisture retention and protects the snail from sharp objects. They move in a characteristic gliding motion, leaving a trail of slime behind. Defense mechanisms. Snails have evolved different defense mechanisms. Some species withdraw into their shells when threatened, sealing the opening with a calcareous structure called an operculum. Others may release noxious chemicals or retract into their shells and clamp down tightly. Lifespan. The lifespan of a snail varies widely depending on species and environmental factors. Some species live for just a year or two, while others can live for several years or even decades. Senses. Snails have a keen sense of smell and touch. Their tentacles can detect chemicals in the environment, helping them find food and avoid predators. Their eyes, located at the tips of the upper tentacles, can detect light, and snails have fascinating adaptations to their habitats. For example, some desert-dwelling snails can estivate enter a state of dormancy. Snails can estivate enter a state of dormancy during dry periods to conserve moisture. Aquatic snails have specialized gills for breathing. Underwater, endangered species. Unfortunately, many snail species are facing threats due to habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect endangered snail species and their habitats.